2, 1.
Hi, it's Tina from fixyourwater.com, F-I-X-U-R water.com. And I got a response to one of my posts the other day, and it's 2 words, very skeptical. And I sat there and thought about how I could show you that this works without being on your property. So we made up this system here, and it's totally, this water filter system is what you could have in your house, but this is not how you'd have it hooked up at your spot. So we created some really bad water. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's really dark and gloomy. And here is, you see that? This water has stuff floating in it, it's colored, it's terrible. Oh, I'm going to keep that. That's not a good one. Here we go. Let me keep a bunch of it to compare. So that's what's in that bucket. This bucket is the end of the hose here. I don't want to, man. Okay, I'm going to just turn it on. This is a sump pump. Not a high pressure sump pump either. So it's not going to work as well as if you had 40 PSI or 50 PSI of water going into the system. This is going in at a dribble, basically. I mean, not really a dribble, but it's nothing like under the pressure system that you would have in your house. So it's going up, if you can show over here, it's going up this black hose and it's going into the filter. It's going down the filter and coming out the white hose and coming out here. So I am going to show you what this water system does, and you can, if you buy the course and create this patent pending water filtration system, you can customize the filtration medium to fix whatever problems you have with your water. But this is just a demonstration to show. Here it is already. I don't know if you want to take a look there. Here is the original water that I put there. And this, let me see if I can stop them from moving around. Let me see if after filtering for longer it's better. Oh yeah, take a look at this. Let me stop it from shaking, that wasn't a very good. So if you're interested in getting a filtration system that can fix your water for literally about way less than 5% of what a commercial company would charge you, this system is several $100s to build, plus the price of the course. And you can have this water on the left here. I don't know, everything's reversed but this is the filtered water, and this is pre-filtration. And you can see there's even stuff floating on the top that it got all that stuff out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're not skeptical anymore. Thanks.